Gonna this to this is like stars. So there are stars, and it's about for this two eyes. This one not included with the with this ears. So gonna go for the shading, and the shade for this here, this is the one. Then you go for the material, preview material. This is the Kristen Morley material that you see here, and the nose just the same here. There is no there's no extra with that, but only with this material. So this is also a different material. You see it's color like this because that is missing, I would say missing, that is missing parts, and when it's missing, it's becomes purple color. So now it becomes this base, but it can also or see trans. I don't know with the phrase now. RGB. Now it becomes black because Blender doesn't know what what I want for. So it becomes black like that. And that's for the base. And this Fresnel will tell, oh, that's white. That's white. But if I'm gonna remove this one, that's what you see, only that one without this, then you'll see that that is black. And if we can remove this one, this is so reflective, the other eye, these are reflective, these are and see it's black. That is weird. It's not the edit. Gonna move a little bit. This one and this one is not the same. That's the back. It looks like that. It's weird, right? There's a lot of reflection in there. There's a reflection the other side. But yeah, gonna move that one there. Let's leave that hole. So we go back for this in the shading, and that's how it look like. It's black, but also this one is black. It's different material, and this is combine. Let's go to normal. Now it's all white. White, but actually material is now mixed with uh, black, because first nail is the default is white, but the combined RGB it mixed with that too. So I think that that here, because that is near. It reflects with this color because it's weird. It's weird. See, it's weird. There is a reflection in the other side. That is really weird. But that's how you see there. Put one eye in this shading. From the shading of that, I put that attribute with that two colors. But if you see this one, it's, yeah, just like that. And it's become like a cataract. You see, this is what happened when you lose sight. Your pupil is there inside, but it's oh, you know, yeah, the the iris is gone. So this is only what I can let you share for this the cataract eye and the nodes of this glass eyes. Actually, this one is glass, but it's mixed with vertex, and that's what you see with that nodes. This is RUCHALIAN, guys, and thank you for watching.